So we're back with another unboxing. I've got 2 boxes of Topps WWE Bape and I'm excited for this one. I'm a big fan of this collection. I'm not a big fan of Bape, I'm a big WWE fan, but I do think these cards are really cool. Cool designs on them, cool autos in there. I like the baby Milos. Yeah, I think it's a cool collection. So let's see what we got. Right, okay, let's go. First pack, first box. Let's get straight in. So yeah, as I said, I'm a big fan of this collection. I have bought some from Whatnot, so I've participated in some box breaks on Whatnot. I haven't bought any singles of Topps yet, of Topps Bape, but yeah, I bought this 2 boxes on eBay and I'm going to crack them right now and see what we can get. I don't even know what I would like to achieve from this. I'd like a Dirty Dom Milo, that'd be pretty cool. I don't know, I like all the cards in this. So one thing I did hear as well is that these boxes can be weighed and you can see which one is heavier to get the auto. So there's a good chance that, yeah, possibly there's no autos in this because people weigh them before selling them. But anyway, first up we got a nice cut angle. A nice AJ who has now been retired by Gunther. The man himself, Gunther. Nice, that is a nice card. You can also see as well it's a, if I can get that there, it is to 150. It's a nice card though, really nice card. Really nice card. It's quite hard to get it across in camera, but it's got like a matte finish on it. Yeah, that is really nice. Fan of that. Then we got J, which is numbered to 199. And then this should be the Milo. Oh yes, I'll take that. It's not numbered, which is annoying, but yeah, I'm a fan of Gunther. So yeah, I'll take that. I think that is a successful box. I'll take that. You can see what I mean with this one. It's like a matte finish when side by side with this. It's a different finish on that. It's really nice. It doesn't look that good on camera, but it's such a nice finish. So yeah, we got 2 numbered parallels in there. We got Uso 99, Gunther 150, and then we got the Gunther Milo spot, which is pretty cool if you ask me. And then we'll go into the second round, the second box. I've got sleeves, by the way. I will sleeve these up, but for the purpose of this video we will just box break. And yeah, I'm a box breaker to collect. I don't do this as a business. I don't sell these things. I do it as a collector and a fan, big WWE fan. So box number 2, let's go. I wonder if my thesis of there won't be any autos because people weigh the boxes will be true. I know it's true in Pokemon. I would like to think WWE fans wouldn't be inclined to do so, but maybe they are. Let's find out. Right, first up, so yeah, I don't think there's any auto. Maybe there is, I don't know. Don't know the card tricks. So we've got a Dirty Dom, which is a cool card. I really like that card. Stone Cold, cool card. Eddie Guerrero, that's a nice card. That's got the kind of matte finish that Gunther card had as well. Cool finish. It's a really nice card. Not numbered, so not the best of starts. Then we got a Mysterio to 199. These cards are so nice. This collection has been I think this is one of the best collections. I might buy more boxes of them. If you want to see me break more boxes of this, subscribe, because yeah, I'm going to buy more Bape. I think just the cards themselves, they're just, I don't know, they're just really nice. Big fan. And then finally we have, oh yes, right, so I'd like to know what I would like to achieve from this. I'd like a Dirty Dom Milo, that'd be pretty cool. Honestly, I couldn't have picked two better Milos. I do collect Mysterio and I do collect Gunther, but none of them are numbered and none of them are autos, so yeah. Is that a success? I think it is. I think that's a success because I do collect both of these wrestlers and I think they're really cool cards. Really cool. Honestly, I think these Bape cards are among the best collection. These Milos are so cool. Yeah, massive fan. Let me know down below what you think of these, but I'm a massive fan of these. Let's recap what we got. Right, so we got some base cards. Even the base cards are cool. We got Dirty Dom, Stone Cold, Kurt Angle, AJ, and then moving up, we then got this Jey Uso numbered to 199. Not the biggest Jey Uso fan. Yeah, that's all I'll say. I'm not the biggest Jey Uso fan. Then we get this Rey Mysterio to 199. Rey is a legend, to be fair. Then up next we got this Eddie Guerrero silver parallel, cool card. Major legend of the game, Eddie. Then we got the baby Milos, we got Gunther, we got Dirty Dom, and then finally the best card I would say in my opinion, we got this Ring General Gunther numbered to 150. So cool, big fan of this. So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you want to see more box breaks, WWE breaks, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.